how I maintain my bag. I always, if you've caught me doing this, you know, in my videos, that's because it became a habit where I try to like keep the bag in shape. So I do that. Hello, a quick one. I got a request from one of my subscribers about my Speedy 30. She wanted to see my Speedy up close and personal, and she wanted to know if I use Apple Guard on my bag. No, I don't use Apple Guard. I have never used Apple Guard, nor have I had the opportunity to own one. So I have never checked. I would like to, so I could try it and then let you know if it does work. But at the moment, I have always been using Cadillac and I stuck with it. So I really don't know. Yes, I do use Cadillac for my leather and the canvas. Also, I use bandos or twirlies for my handles to keep them healthy. I also apply Cadillac to these areas of my bag more, or my bags where the high traffic is, because this is where you actually use your bag a lot. This process of opening and closing. Yeah. And something else I have tried that actually worked for me. Don't try this at home if you don't have the confidence to do that. I find with some of my bags, not just the Louis Vuittons, quite a few different bags that has zipper and they're vintage. I have come to realize that the zips become tighter and get stuck. So I tried WD-40 on the zipper. So what I did was just did like I protected everything and then I sprayed there and I sprayed the zip, and after a few minutes it would just go smoothly. That is something I have tried, trusted. Don't try it if you don't have the guts to. That's what I do. You don't have to do it too, but it has always worked for me. I use protection. What did I just say? I use bag organizers to keep the bag. See it? I put an organizer in. It does help as well. So I know where my keys are. I know where my wallet is. I know where my card holder is. It just really works. The shape intact like so. I always keep my bags in their dust bag so they're protected and they get some air. I never leave any of my bags in the box. But tell a lie, I think I did once, and one of these days I would show you the impact it had on one of my Louis Vuitton bags. And it's quite sad. Right now, I am trying to think about what to do to that bag, to sell it or to have it fixed. I have sent the picture to the handbag clinic for them to take a look at it and tell me what they could do to it. And they have given me a quote. They advised they were going to change the straps. So that bag being ruined is as a result of the fact that I wasn't taking care of it really well. I wasn't following the process I followed in all the other bags. I left it in the box. I did not condition regularly, so that happened. One of these days, I will do a video on that Louis Vuitton, show you what happened so we can all learn from it, because after I ruined that bag, it made me realize how important it is to take care of your leather. Bearing in mind that leather is skin, animal skin, remember? So even if you don't, as a human being, if you don't moisturize your skin, the impact is really visible. You could actually tell and see and experience what happens to your skin. It's the same. This leather may be not alive, but it is alive. It breathes. So yeah, touching story. One of these days I would show you the bag, show you what happens to it, show you the results of not actually taking care of my bag. So after that happened to that bag, I took the process of loving and taking care of my stuff really seriously. After that year, I became a different person. It shook me. The damage that happened to that bag shook me. So one of these days I would talk about it and show you the bag. It's a Louis Vuitton bag. It's a vintage bag, but it's quite injured right now. Injured because I did not use it. I stored it in the box like it was a museum. I did not condition it. So drop me a comment or send me a message if you want me to do a video on that bag. So do subscribe, like, and comment. It would really help my channel since it's new, and I will like to know what you want me to, what do you want to see? What do you want to hear? So my philosophy for today is, as always, use your bag. You bought it for a reason because you loved it. So use them. Rotate your bags. Don't use one bag only. Also, I have another story I would like to share. Consequences of when you use one bag because you love it too much and you don't rotate. I would show you what my daughter did to one of the bags I bought her. So I bought that bag, her bag and my bag on the same day, the same bag. I'll show you what hers looks like and I'll show you what mine looks like. And you'll be a judge of that. I'd have to take permission from her though. Thank you. Have a lovely evening. Bye.